Okay, okay, okay. You're going to hear the loudest fart ever. I mean the burp ever. Okay? Okay, that's my first one. Second is my third one. My fourth one. My fifth one. Last but not least. Okay, my replacement for the fifth one is a oxygen. I'm done. I'm done. I'm done. I'm done.